Good morning, everyone. I am in an amazing mood this morning. We just pulled up to the house in Salisbury, and I hadn't been here since 10 o'clock on Friday morning, and we got the main roof on. We finished the 2 reverse gables, and today we're going to talk about how to efficiently run new construction. Right now, this just looks like one big box with 2 little details up top. But today we're gonna get this entire roof line put together. And right by that front door, and to the right of that front door, by that huge window, there's a big covered porch. So there's gonna be a lot of details up front here to make for a beautiful front elevation. Job site cleanliness is something that you're gonna have to embrace if you wanna be successful in this business. And yesterday, I called for this dumpster late morning because I wanted to get the site cleaned up. The roofers were coming. I don't want bundles of roofing plastic blowing around in the street. So I called for this first container. We had some extra guys on the site as we waited for the roof material. We got everything cleaned up, the lumber organized, and now I can think more clearly when I walk on this site. It looks better for the neighbors, it looks better for the inspectors, and it just feels like a more workable job site. One day, when I pulled up to this site, before we had filed plans, gotten any sort of approvals, I saw work going on across the street. And I don't know how this keeps happening, but as I have this house being built across the street, right across over here, we have this brand new construction for sale. Now, this gentleman kept the existing slab and built a brand new house over it, extended it. He's also got a pool and a big property. And I'm sure you see that for sale by owner sign right there. You already know I knocked on that door. I provided the potential value that I would bring to the table, the synergy of having another house across the street, and I'm pushing really hard to get this listing because we'll be able to set the price, set the market, and really have synergy for both builds. The nice part about Salisbury is having this beautiful park across the street. You've also got Eisenhower Park, these wonderful trails for walking. This is a really desirable area. It's a little bit further west than Plainview, Hicksville, and Syosset. So for commute, people love this place. And it's a great school district, and it's a great community. If you want to be a developer or a builder or a general contractor, get in the habit of staying on top of material. Don't point the blame at the next subcontractor in line. Oh, why don't you have the material on site? We're losing time. That's your fault. And in this case, it would have been my fault. At Hicksville number 5, we got this foundation poured, just got it stripped and waterproofed and inspected, and I'm ready for my structural steel. So I called the framer, I stayed on top of the steel company, and the material's ordered. It's gonna be here early next week, and as soon as I could possibly start framing, we'll be underway over here when we finish at Salisbury. And speaking on Salisbury, the roofing material was on site yesterday, the first possible day that we could have gotten the main roof on the house. I coordinated with the framer, the roofer, I ordered the material myself, I made sure it was delivered by midday, and we got that whole main roof done in one day, and now we're waterproof and we can continue working there. One of my secrets to efficiency is the proximity of my sites. The reason why I try to buy everything in a 15-minute radius is because if my sites are 30 or 40 minutes apart, by the time I go back and forth, I've killed a couple of hours each day and shortened the amount of time that I can get stuff done tremendously. So it's really important as you're planning your sites, your projects, that you don't kill half your day jumping from one to the next, because otherwise you're not going to be able to run multiple projects at once. And right now we're heading over from Salisbury to Hicksville number 5, and it's like a 6-minute drive. Even when there's traffic, I can use back roads and I can get to where I'm going in less than 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. If you're planning on getting involved in new construction or already in the business, I hope you found this information useful. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I've got content like this on deck every single day. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Please don't forget to subscribe to this vlog, like and comment below. Thank you for your support, and have a great day, everyone.